Are you tired of taking out the pressure washer every time you want to wash your car? If you are, you don't want to mess with hoses or nothing, you got to grab yourself this $10 foamer from the TikTok shop. Right now, it is on sale. Link will be right there. So definitely grab yours. As you can see, I got some water and some car cleaner. All you got to do is pump it up and you got to foam your car. Check it out. This thing is absolutely amazing. Foam it up and you're ready to clean. And best of all you gotta do is pump it up just like this. Super easy, and then continue your foam. Obviously, if I'm not using my phone and recording at the same time, I'll be able to foam this entire car in like 30 seconds. Check it out. You can add more if you got dirty wheels. Trying to do this one-handed, but as you can see, this foamer is amazing, and I haven't even wasted a ton of it. Check it out. Go around. Get that foam all good. Also, it comes with different nozzles as well. Definitely grab yours while they are still in stock.